Mastering shall in simple future tense. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial aspect of the English language, the simple future tense. Specifically, we'll discuss an interesting feature of this tense, the use of shall. This often confusing term can make a significant difference in your English speaking and writing abilities, so let's get started. Shall is a modal verb, primarily used with the first person, I, and we, to express the simple future tense. However, it's a little old-fashioned and more formal than will, so you'll often find it in legal documents, formal writing, or classic literature. Let's look at a few examples. I shall return your book tomorrow. We shall meet at the cinema at 6 p.m. There are a few key times when we use shall instead of will. For one, it's often used to ask questions in the first person. For example, shall I close the door? Shall we dance? Secondly, shall is used to make offers or suggestions. These are also often framed as questions. For instance, shall I make a cup of tea? We have some time to kill. Shall we go for a walk? Shall is widely used in legal and formal documents. It's a more definitive term, often implying obligation or command. Here are a couple of examples. The tenant shall maintain the premises in good condition. The party of the first part shall pay the fees on the first of every month. Well, that wraps up our discussion on the use of shall in the simple future tense. Remember, while shall might seem tricky at first, with practice, its usage will become second nature to you. I hope this video was informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of the English language in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!